I said it before. I feel truly blessed to have as many friends and family at these events that take care and look out for me as I'm trying to take care and look out for those that can't get out and get to the shows. I've been lucky enough to have some folks submit video that I wasn't able to get so that you all can enjoy it. Thanks, guys.
Hi, everybody. It's Chad and Sara Jo. We're at the Restoration Park Church first annual car show. Let's look at some cars.
Yeehaw.
flirty. Okay, flirty
what?
women.
What'd you say? Oh, Steve. Told him to leave it quiet, to rev it up and open it up at the same time. It's way louder than that. He's got it closed off right now. It's much louder than that. So rev it up first, then close it. Rev it up first, hit it. Open. There you go. Hit it. I did it right. That's what I wanted to do. Got a 9. All right. Who thinks the red one won? Who thinks the green one won? You won! You won!
This echo is messing me up, so I can imagine what it was like to sing. But we want to pass out a few awards for you, and we are starting with the Vintage Daily Driver, and that is car number 37. Come and collect your award if you're still here.
What do you have?
So what's your name, sir? Tim Dugan is the winner of the Vintage Car Daily Driver. Congratulations again, sir. You're welcome. The second award we have is for the Best Rev Award. That's the competition that took place a while ago, where the loudest car, the loudest noise. That winner is car number 6.
Let's get it, Dave!
What's your name, sir?
My name is Steven.
Okay, Steve, and he wants to remain anonymous. It's Steve with the dog. Congratulations, Steve. Let's hear it for him
Steve the
again.
dog.
I was down there. That is a loud car and a nice looking car. Good job, Steve. Now the award for the best restoration goes to car number 33. Who's the winner?
What about you? Got my horn.
So did you do the restoration yourself, sir? He says he wishes he did. He's one of those guys that bodies way into this award. Congratulations. What's your name? Kevin Young. Congratulations, Kevin. Beautiful car. Yeah, right there. The Kids' Choice Award. So the car that the kids are enjoying the most. That is car number 38.
Yeah, what car is it? With him. Is it the dancer? It could be. It might be actually.
And he's fast. He's as fast as his car. What's your name, sir? Elwood Roston, okay. A 73 Monte Carlo. Oh, is that black one? Oh, that's a gorgeous car. Yeah, nice job.
Kids like that?
Congratulations.
I got picked for a while.
Now our final award is the car designated as the one most likely for Jesus to drive. And that car is number 42. And there's a reason behind it.
It's a Ford.
Number 42 is actually a car that hasn't had a lot done on the exterior yet. It kind of looks like something, I hope I don't insult anybody, a bit of a beater, needs some work on that, because we just think that Jesus would have a humble looking car, but inside that car is a beautiful, powerful, restored new engine that looks awesome. It just reminds us of Jesus. Humble on the outside, but dynamic power on the inside. So it's car number 42. Is he still here? His last name is King. That's right. Well, if any of you know Mr. King, let him know that we have no... Oh, is he right here? All right, here he comes. Yeah, all right. He's being humble, too. Right now, you're getting the award.
Okay, guys, that was the car show for today at the Restoration Church. The awards, races, cars. Ooh, look at that yellow. Everybody say see ya.
See ya.
Right here. Hey. I know. Then on my mouth. No. Look at you. Look at you, Oliver. You're so excited. Oh, you're so excited.
No way.
There's Oliver's owner.
And I see him on eBay.
No.
He wants Chad.
No, he doesn't. Trying to record your car. Just jack my video all up.
Like that one.